it went off. This is BB-8. That's the ball.
That's...
Put that there.
Wait.
Get the head.
That's the ball, as you can see. We will do some gameplays of it.
Yeah, when we charged it.
Yeah.
This is the BB-8 when it's ready. Oh, look at how cute it is. Look how cute. Look how cute it is.
I know. So awesome.
Put that there. The instructions right there. And this is the charger, the base.
The base.
And you
Let's put it on base.
and you put it in there. There's a wire there, I think.
Yeah, power connects to the thing.
Oh, no, I'll get it. Oh, there it is. There's the power connect. Why do you plug it into the light? Oh, I know.
It's a plug.
The plug. This is the plug. That's the box.
Yeah. It's a cool box, isn't it?
Yeah. This is not going to waste. That's the one. Put it there. So look at this BB-8. Look how cute it is.
I know.
This is the.
That's the base.
Yeah. This is the head.
Wait.
This is the
Yeah,
head.
that's the head.
And this is the ball.
If it shows it.
Hey, put it up.
Yep.
That's an awesome
That's a ball. Let's try some
Look how cute the
balls. Let's try some balls. You say some balls.
Oh, look how cute.
Yeah, let's charge it right
So
now.
this is the end of the video, right? Because
End of the
it will
unboxing
reject
video.
it when you upload it. So bye.